Sample problems on how to integrate exponential and logarithmic functions. Evaluate the following integral. Number 1 is integral of e to the power of 3x dx. We will use the formula of integral of e to the power of u du equals to e to power of u plus c. From the given, function u is 3x. Solve the derivative, that is 3dx. Compare the value of du to the given. Since they are not equal, we have to modify it. Before we integrate, let's use du equals 3dx. Then add 1/3 at the left side of the integral sign. We can now integrate, copy 1/3, then e to the power of 3x plus c. And that is our answer. Before we proceed to the next number, Mikas Mona Insen. Now let's start with the number 2. By inspection, we cannot use the previous formula, use the power formula instead. Using u as quantity of 1 plus e to negative to y. N equals to 1/4. The derivative of u is negative 2 e to the power of negative to y dy. Let's modify. Use the solved du. Then put negative 1/2 before the integral sign. Copy the negative 1/2 and do the power formula. Simplify, and that is the answer. Then, Mikas again Insen. For number 3, integral of e to the power of 1 over x divided by x squared dx. Let's use u equals to 1 over x and solve its derivative. Compare the derivative to the given. Modify. If we use the solved du equals negative of dx over x squared, then multiply negative 1. And the answer is negative e to the power of 1 over x plus c. Number 4, integral of 10 to the power of 2x dx. The formula we'll be using is this one. From the given, the value of u is to x, therefore derivative of u should be to dx. Let's first modify before we proceed to integration. Use du as to dx, then multiply here by 1/2. Copy 1/2, then use the formula. And that is the answer. Let's proceed to the last number, integral of x times natural logarithm of 3x squared dx. We can rearrange it into this one. Integral of ln of quantity of 3x squared times x dx. And the formula we'll be using is integral of natural logarithm of u du is equals to u ln of u minus u plus c. Referring to the formula and the given, we'll use u equals to 3x squared, then derivative must be equals to 6x dx. Modify, use du as 6x dx, we have to multiply this by 1/6. Copy 1/6, then use the formula. By the way, you can put the constant of integration inside or outside the bracket, because it doesn't matter if we multiply it by 1/6 or not, because a 1/6 of constant is still a constant. And this is the answer.